Hey my beauty families, this is Valia. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you one idea and summer SPF haul that I did these days for the summer. So let's get right immediately into this video, jump into this video to show you what products I've got. For the first, I purchased this very nice little bag from Apivita with Vasia Costara limited collection. Very nice, beautiful red and blue bag which inside has all my SPF. Apivita is a very nice brand from the pharmacy because I always watch the sun, especially into the summer. I always wear SPF all the year, but in the winter I wear SPF 30 plus or 20 plus. Just like this, but in the summer I wear SPF 50 plus. In this bag, what I have my Apivita. This is my day cream SPF 50 plus. Be sun safe, anti-spot and anti-age defense face cream. High protection UVA, UVB and blue light. This is a very nice anti-spot and anti-age day cream with a very light smell. It has a pharmacy smell but very light, because I have to say to you, when a product is good for the face, does not have a very intense smell, especially the cream. And this is my SPF cream for my face. The other, I've got one Apivita After Sun Cool and Smooth Face and Body Gel Cream. This is a gel cream which I wear especially after the sun, because here in my country the sun is burning very much in the sun, with thick aloe and propolis. This is very nice gel cream for the face and for the body. Of course, I've got these all are Apivita brand products. My Apivita Be Sun Safe from the same brand, tan perfuming body oil. This is for my body when I go to the sea. Dry oil, body oil with carrot, high protection, 30 plus. This is very nice dry oil for UVA and UVB, non-greasy finish, sans effet grass. Very nice product and very nice smell. These are from the Apivita. I like very much this beautiful blue and red bag. This is right just for my sea bag. Then I've got one product not from Apivita for my hair, because I'm a blonde. I have much problem with the sun for dryness to my hair, so before I go to the sea, I use a product, and this is a hair mist by Fiore Vita. This is the product with UV protection, with pro vitamin B5, coconut and vanilla extract, and this is by Fiore Vita. This is a product very affordable. I have to say it has only €2, 2 to 30, I don't remember well. But I spray that product before I went to the sea, because I wet my hair, and in the middle to walk out from the sea, get into the sea again, and I use that many times in the day. What else? Now I begin with my hygiene product. I have purchased this Be You. This is one fragrance mist which is called Breezy Flat Body Mist. Oh my body, it has a smell so tropical, intense. This is intense. In the summer, I have to recommend to you, don't use the same fragrance you use in the winter. Take a body spray in a light smell, intense light, but summer. This has tropical fruits and has so nice the smell. Do you think you are into the sea with this product? And I spray when I go out from the bath. I spray all my body before I get ready with that very nice body mist. Of course you can do this, is called BU. It is called BU, and it has and many other smells, and orange bottle, and a white bottle, and a green, and a very nice fuchsia bottle, but I prefer this blue, light blue bottle because it reminds me the sea. Very, very nice smell. What else I've got? I've got what? My Garnier Fructis hydrating shampoo with aloe vera. This is a very nice light shampoo which I wear this time of the year. A hair shampoo which has 96 natural ingredients. It is vegan shampoo. It is a shampoo for combo skin, combo hair, but hair that they are getting dry as my hair in this season, in the summer, because I have combo hair, but I paint my hair blonde, I do highlight, and in the summer they are getting more dry, I have to say. So I need a light shampoo, and as you have understood, Garnier is a brand that I use, and for my skin, and for my hair, for my body, everywhere. It is a very nice light shampoo that you can use it every day, this with aloe vera. Another shampoo with chamomile. This is not very expensive. I have to say that it is a shampoo with chamomile for daily use also by Supra. It is this with chamomile. It is right for blonde hair because it is microbiologically tested. Very, very good, very nice light shampoo because in the summer I use daily shampoos. I wash my hair every day from the sea and from every other extract. Then what I've got? I've got my deodorant. This is Fa deodorant. It is a very nice passion pink rose scent, antiperspirant, non-sweet, non-stress, 24 hours. Very nice antiperspirant. I have tested that, and the brand is called Fa. I have tested that, and it really lasts over 1 day. What else I've got? What else I've got there? I've got my razors. I always trust Big. I always take Big Put Lady Easier Glide Grande Scorrevolezza in Italy with aloe, and this is aloe. It does good very well, very smooth skin when I raise my legs, and I use Big. I always trust Big. It is the best brand. I always trust Big for my razors. Then I got Nivea Rose Care micellar wipes with by rose water for face and eyes, lips, all skin types. Removed waterproof makeup, cleansed thoroughly, purifies and tones. I have these wipes and another packet, 2 packets from wipes, because as I have told many times, when I do makeup myself, I start always from the packages, and always I use packages. And in other time of the day, when I go to the sea, when I go out for the sea to wash, to clean my face from the sun, I have this beautiful and useful wipes in my bag, and also they are very useful when you go for traveling. Then I have the classic Dove Gentle Exfoliating Beauty Cream Bath. This is the classic blue Dove cream bath. Always use Dove and always use cream bath. Of course, these are full swabs which they are doing a gentle exfoliating, and with 1/4 moisturizing cream. I trust Dove, a brand that I use many years now, as Garnier, as Big, and they are tested many times. They are really good, and as you have seen from me, when I use a product that I think it is good and it has good results, I purchase it again and again. other soap bars. I have two. These two beautiful bars are with vitamin E, with orange. They called in the brand Dalan Fruit, and they are very nice, very affordable. Each one of them has 99 cents, but I have tested again. Many times I use some bar soap as I'm gonna use them to clean my brushes. It is a typical, useful and daily way to clean your brushes. A typical soap bar. And I use for my skin, but this I use the most time for my brushes. Another olive soap bar which has, look, the green classic olive soap. It has the classic green bar soap we have here in my country. It is very good. In the oldest years, the oldest grand people, they used this green olive soap to wash their hair because they weren't exist. The soaps we have today, all these shampoos we have today, it is 100% natural olive soap bar. I use it for many soaps to clean my hair. When you use an olive soap, it is like you use a really antiseptic into your hands. And the smell is typically good, nice, natural. What can I say? Very beautiful. Remind me, I recommend you to use olive soap to clean your hands, your brushes, or if you have somewhere an acne scar, you can use this for a few hours and leave it as it is, and the acne scars before some damage will go on. Then I've got the classic Colgate, the classical toothpaste. Colgate Max White Expert Original. This is a classic Colgate bar that I use for my teeth every day. I use and I clean my teeth twice or thrice in a day. And with this, of course I have with this Colgate to clean after my toothpaste my mouth, which it effectively fights bacteria. This Colgate Plaque Original for the mouth, liquid for the mouth, which I do some washes on my face after I use my toothpaste. It's very good. And Colgate, it is a typical classical brand. I'm a makeup artist many years now, and as I have told you, I test products that if I think that they are good, I keep it in all my life. And trust me, the brands I say to you, they're and affordable and classical, and they do good results. What can I have after this? What can I have? I have the classic original Vitalis Johnson. This is by Johnson, a body wash, brightening, illuminante bagno schiuma in Italy, with pomegranate flower, the power of gentle 24-hour comfort. It's a very nice pomegranate soap. Bath foam, especially now, I use and I do bath foam every day. And I have to say, especially in July and August, I do bath foam. I don't know how many times in the day, 5, 6. After some hours, I'm always doing bath foam because we have so much sun, so much cold here. Very nice, very purifying wash, and this I have tested, and I have to say it is a good body wash. What else? The classical Dove. I purchased 2 of these because I find them in the price of one. This is the Dove Relaxing Jasmine Petal with coconut milk. It is a foam bath that relaxes and rebalances. Skin Natural Moisturized Shower Gel. It is the light purple lavender color, and this is a gentle, vegan-free, 100% recycled bottle, and this is a product that I prefer. and I love this shower gel. I use many times in a day. Then I got one shower after shower my cream, body cream. This is also from Johnson, Vita Rich. This is the brand Johnson Classical Vita Rich with yogurt, peach and coconut. A very nice, refreshing after cream bath and very nice smell. I don't know if you like coconut and peach, but I love peach in the summer. Nice smell, nice light smell, especially I want some cream that it is light for the body after the bath, because we have, as we have told you, so much sun. I think today we must have 28 degrees and we are in the beginning of the summer. What else? Another by Garnier, Botanic Therapy shampoo, repairing shampoo, because I have blonde hair and they are getting dry and they are getting damaged from the sun. Repairing shampoo with honey treasures. Honey is a very nice, sweet ingredient that it does good to the face, refresh the face. It is honey with and it good power, it gives power and refresh and moisturize the hair. And this is it by Garnier Botanic Therapy. It is a new shampoo, and also from that brand I got and the same mask for the hair. Garnier Botanic Therapy. This is the mask for the hair with honey treasures, the same, which gives strength to them. Here I have bought these products together because I think when I at least use a shampoo, I'm taking the same conditioner or a leave-in product and the same mask. These are from the same brand, and if a product it is from the same brand, 2 or 3 together, they are giving better results. And I think what else I've got? I have the last, another brand that I love, Luxurious, with Vanilla Madagascar. It is Vanilla Madagascar. It is a natural exfoliating body scrub, microplastic free. It has aloe, mallow, chamomile, green tea, panthenol, loofah, almond cells. Very nice scrub, very nice smell, a very nice scrub. This is, that's not open. Very nice smell. This is another brand, Luxurious, that it has and many other body creams and other for the body products, but I really like the exfoliating the body scrub from that, and it is a very good brand also. My friends, I think these were my products, the products I purchased for this video to show you my hygiene haul, my current hygiene haul, because from season to season we have to change the products we use for hair, body, skin. We have to change them. So my friends, if you like the video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell and stay tuned to see the new videos I'm gonna upload. Love you!